I'm Adam from Market Life, and welcome to the free video for Tuesday, October 6, 2020. So quick look at the broad market here, but before I do that, if you're looking for individual stocks to trade, go over to marketlife.com. You can sign up for a free account and see our small cap watch list, everything that we're looking for in the small cap space. You can see the stocks that we're watching. There aren't setups there, but at least this will do a lot of your work of doing the research, doing the hard pattern recognition work that we've done to give you a pretty solid set of names to work with. So go check that out at marketlife.com. So what we're looking at today is, if you look at the chart of the S&P, you see this is doesn't seem like much, right? But I think it's much more significant than we might think. Why? A few things. So first of all, we've been looking at this complex bull flag on the daily chart, and then a little pause. And this, if we were to zoom way in and just look at that's all I can zoom, but you get the idea. If we just look at this, it's really not very much, right? This, I would argue, if you're looking at this and say it's 5-minute bars or something, I would say, oh, we're just in the range. We probably don't even really want to pay attention to it. But where it comes following the breakout of this bigger picture bull flag, this little pause means that this movement is likely, possibly, potentially much more significant than it looks. And if you are long, it's a good spot to be long. If you're not long, you can also buy on further strength. This is also a case where we want to be very careful about buying things that are super overextended. A good beginner mistake is looking to buy something like this, right? My very first trade decades ago looked like that in wheat. I bought wheat when the chart looked kind of like that, and guess what? I had that outcome. So that's a normal thing to do. But even though, so people develop this fear of buying things that are moving in the direction that they want the trade to go, buying things that are going up or shorting things that are going down. But if you identify the spots where, like, the train is leaving the station, just starting to pick up momentum, and we're nowhere near an exhaust like this, then you can buy even though the market's moving in your direction. So I think that's really what's going on here. Also, I would point out, smaller caps have been a lot stronger than larger caps. This is the Russell 2000 futures, and you can see this is a pretty convincing breakout here. While the S&P doesn't really show much, the NASDAQ doesn't show much at all, the Dow's not very exciting, the Russell is exciting. So there we go. If this video is helpful, give us a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, tell everybody you know, and we'll see you back tomorrow for another video. Thank you very much.